Hi Jason, quick video for you. I figured this might maybe make it easier than a phone conversation or descriptions or something, so your dad can have a look at what we're talking about. Your dad asked if I had a UFO, aka yachtsman, or helmet. These are the ones that I've pulled out. This is an all original white helmet, a white Vader. That's the original bracelet. That's actually a rare original bracelet type for these. Most of them came with a fishbone like this. This one didn't. That's a Stellox made full-length bracelet, and it is correct for this watch. None of these watches have been serviced, by the way. They're originals. I haven't gone through the movements or anything. They're all going to need service. But you can see the lovely condition of the case. See that turn there? That's not brushing. It's actually machining. These are machined. Here's the black helmet, and that's original. This is the original bracelet. You can tell. I mean, look at how little wear the clasp has. Isn't that pretty? Both are original. Then here's the UFO. This, again, like these, is unrestored. I have to go through the movement and look at it. I've got to service it. This watch, it's original to itself. It needs service. Everything functions. The bracelet is correct for the model, but it's an aftermarket bracelet. But the only way that pretty much anyone would be able to tell that was if they saw it, if they knew that, basically. They're so good, they're so perfect that I don't worry about using them at all, because they're so good. It's exactly what they're supposed to look like. And the manufacturing quality is great. So this watch, it has some sun fading. These orange hashes on the subdials, a little faded. The orange sweep is faded to sort of this yellow. I can retint that back down to orange, or you could leave it just like it is. It's however you manage to feel like it. So let me know. Oh, I wanted to show you the case back. No tool marks on this one. It's in good condition. It needs service and a case rebuild with only seals, and a wrist and a movement service, of course, unless of course I already said that, and a wrist to live on. So you tell me what your dad thinks about anything. Thanks.